Before you scroll away, listen carefully. This message did not come to you by accident. God knew exactly when you would press play. If you've been feeling tired in your spirit, if you've been praying but waiting, if you've been wondering, God, are you still with me? This word is for you. Jesus Christ is still the same yesterday, today, and forever. And today, He wants to remind you, your story is not over. You may feel unseen by people, but you are fully seen by God. The Bible says in Psalm 34:15, the eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and His ears are attentive to their cry. Every tear you've cried in secret, every prayer you whispered late at night, every moment you stayed strong when you wanted to give up, God saw it all. Jesus sees the pressure you're under. He sees the faith you're holding on to, even when it feels weak. And today, He says, I have not forgotten you. Waiting is hard, but waiting is not punishment, it is preparation. Isaiah 40:31 says, but those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. Sometimes God delays because He's protecting you. Sometimes He pauses because He's aligning things you cannot see. What feels like silence is often God working behind the scenes. He's shaping your character, strengthening your faith, and preparing blessings that will not break you. Trust this truth. God's timing is never late. Hear this clearly. This season is shifting. What has been heavy will become lighter. What has been confusing will become clear. What looked impossible will begin to move. The word says in Joel 2:25, I will restore to you the years the locusts have eaten. God is not only restoring what you lost, He's restoring more than you expected. Doors are about to open. Peace is about to return. Strength is rising again. Do not quit now. You are closer than you think. Jesus never promised a life without storms, but He promised His presence in every storm. John 14:27 says, Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. When fear speaks, choose faith. When doubt rises, choose trust. When your heart feels overwhelmed, run to Jesus. He's your refuge. He's your healer. He's your provider. No situation is too broken for His grace. Your future is not defined by your past. It is defined by God's promises. Jeremiah 29:11 reminds us, For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. God is still writing your story, and the next chapter will carry His fingerprints. Stay faithful, stay prayerful, stay hopeful. There are people watching right now who feel broken on the inside, not because you stopped believing, but because you believed for a long time and got tired. Jesus understands that kind of pain. The Bible says in Psalm 147:3, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. You may look strong on the outside, but God sees the cracks in your heart. And hear this clearly, He's not ashamed of them. God is not asking you to pretend you're okay. He's inviting you to bring everything to Him. What broke you did not disqualify you. What failed did not cancel your calling. What hurt you will not define your destiny. Jesus is rebuilding your confidence. He's restoring your joy. He's teaching your heart how to trust again. And this rebuilding will be stronger than before. The same God who carried you through the storm is the God who will establish you after it. So don't rush the process. Don't compare your journey. Don't give up in the middle of healing. God is doing deep work, not surface work. And when this season ends, you will look back and say, only God could have brought me through this. There are some of you watching who didn't lose faith in God. You lost confidence in your self-life. Hit you harder than you expected. Words spoken over you stayed longer than they should have. Failures made you question your worth. But hear this clearly. Jesus never measured you by your mistakes. The Bible says in Philippians 1:6, He who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion. God is rebuilding your confidence, step by step. Not arrogance, holy confidence. Confidence rooted in who He says you are. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are not disqualified. Jesus is reminding you today, you are still chosen. You are still called. You are still capable. What weakens you will not stop you. God is strengthening you for the assignment ahead. Stand tall again. Lift your head again. Your Faith is rising. Some of you are in the middle of a storm right now, not a small one. Storm that tested your patience, peace, and faith. But storms do not mean absence of God. Sometimes they prove His presence. Jesus said in John 16:33, "In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world." This storm will not drown you. This pressure will not destroy you. This season will not define you. God is teaching you how to walk by faith, not by sight. He is teaching you how to trust when control is gone. And when you come out of this, you will be stronger, wiser, and more grounded than before. The storm didn't come to break you. It came to reveal what God already placed inside you. Hold on. Jesus is in your boat. And peace is coming. If this message spoke to your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to this channel for more messages of faith, hope, and encouragement. Like this video so it can reach someone who needs it today. Share it with a friend or family member. And right now, take a moment and comment Amen as a declaration of trust in Jesus Christ.